Hello, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry for the delay. I'm here. So, let's start the London kill zone. Greg, good morning. Good to see you. All right. I know today is going to be very slow, but we'll try to do something good now. Good morning. Good to see you too. So, expect low volume. I mean, the London session should be as usual, quote unquote, as usual. But obviously, the Nasdaq and the ES is gonna go flatline. After that, Bass, good morning. Good to see you. Online safety. Hey, good to see you guys. All right. So, by the way, FYI, I have a limit order on gold to go higher, but I'm going to explain that in a bit. Actually, I can explain it right now. Best DJ in town. Hey, good morning. All right. Just a second. I do have my reasons to go long. Actually, if you go to the daily chart on gold, this is a bearish order block. Once went inside on the 12th of June, and I'm gonna stay bullish and anticipate that price will try to go even higher. Now, if I go to the 1 hour, I still think that we're bullish. We have some buy side liquidity up there. That's the daily fair value gap. Anyway, I have a limit order on the 5-minute chart at 23.42.9 on gold. If I look at Nasdaq consolidating, look at this. I think Nasdaq is going to be almost untradeable today. I don't expect anything from Nasdaq, anything. Look at that. I think this is it. That's what's gonna happen all day. So market close is gonna be here at 1. Okay, yeah, at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Nothing's gonna happen. Nothing major. And what's the range? The range here, for example, from here to the top, we're talking about 20 points. Nothing is going to happen on Nasdaq today. Absolutely nothing. I can almost guarantee that. So that's why I'm looking on gold. Hopefully London will pick up a little bit and maybe we'll see some movement here. So Simeon, hey. What's happening? So nothing special expected on my end here. Nasdaq again, it's catastrophic. Let's look at ES. I haven't even updated my chart, so let's see. Daily midnight level is right here. Okay. That's all right there. All right. Let's put something here. Yesterday high, which is Asia high. Previous day low, Asia low. All right. Nothing. ES also absolute nothing. So open for suggestions, but I really can't say that we're gonna have anything here. At least I don't think so. Best not to trade on any funded account today. Best case scenario, I'm gonna put this trade on an evaluation account. Most likely, if I have anything. And yeah, that's it. Obviously, hopefully we will have some movement, but market open will tell us. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Quite a few higher highs. We have relatively equal lows down there at Nasdaq, 19,761. So I'd say there is a possibility to go there. Try pay there. What tickers do you trade, Tom? Just NQ or others? Recently, in the past few weeks, I was talking about it a lot. Like, I'm trading NQ, but I said it quite a few times, and today is one example, and yesterday as well. I'm trying to pick up gold, but that's it. No more markets, Trev. So I'm trying to pick up gold because Nasdaq, in many cases, is absolutely not moving in London session, like today, or many times. At least gold, as far as I did some backtesting and collected some data, at least gold can do something as London opens sometimes. But that's it. I'm not saying I'm going to be taking every trade on gold, but I'm still picking up. I was trading gold like a year ago last time. And then I left it because, I don't know, I did not have any kind of success with gold, but I try to. There is no other market. I'm not going to trade Forex because euro, dollar, and even pound is not moving anything during the London session. So if it moves, it's moving like 5 pips or 10. So I'm not going to trade 5 pips on Forex or 10 pips. That's like absolute useless to push the button for that. Other market that is worth to trade, it could be DEX maybe, but at these prop firms, I mean, the only chance to trade DEX is at Apex, which I could do that, of course. When I trade the stocks, I always choose stocks that 3% higher change. Yeah, in futures I try to find a future. That's also a good idea, Trev. Yeah, good idea. Zoltan, hey. Jó reggelt, good morning. Yeah, good idea. So that's why many people likes to trade GJ on Forex. Crude oil moves a lot. It moves a lot, that's true. DM, welcome. Thanks for the haircut. So crude oil moves a lot, but mostly in New York Open. So look at this. Crude oil on the 5-minute, but let's go for yesterday London session. Where was it? Here. London session yesterday, crude oil. Let me just see. London kill zone. Well, maybe not much. And after that, London kill zone, crude oil. All right, not that bad actually. Not that bad. I'm just checking the recent days randomly. Maybe. I mean, as far as I compared, I mean, gold can move as well enough So that's why I picked gold. Looking sharp. MBT is 1.6, so oh, you're long. All right. Good luck with it. Good luck with it. Stepped out. Okay. I have a limit order at on gold, for example, at 23.42.9. I mean, look at Nasdaq. Obviously, if you go down to the 5-second chart, then maybe you can find something, but it's not tradable. Not for me, at least. I can look on the 5 seconds just for fun, you know. Let's look at Nasdaq just for fun. Purely for fun on the 5 second. So 30-second. Let's look at the 5-second chart. 3 days. 5-second chart. No, thank you. This is not something I want. Let's look at the 15-second chart. Still terrible. At these times, you can use the tick charts. That's a good idea. For example, 100 tick chart. No, I'm not going to trade Nasdaq in these conditions. So absolutely not good. Oh yeah, then the gold trade. Let me show you. Where's the gold? MGC, here it is. I'm only risking like 80 bucks on this evaluation account. I don't even have a take profit on here. So this is my limit order. Nothing special. It's at optimal trade entry. If it goes down, it goes down. We can target some highs. Swept a little bit of lows, not too much, so obviously it's not a guarantee, but if it spikes down, we might go in. Now look at Nasdaq. I would be surprised if we would go for a previous day high. It's like 40 points away. I don't know. See, our order block looks crazy thin. One sell order at 81. Oh, okay. 81.60 and 13 buys. Nothing in between. Wow. Oh, I haven't checked it, Trev. I haven't checked it, but damn, is this gonna go? How far is it? 18. It went up 10 points. What the hell? 10 points. What is it doing? Totally unexpected move from Nasdaq. MCA. Is there a public holiday? Yeah, it's gonna be a public holiday. Where can this go? 22, Jesus, only 3 points. The range is 3 points. I'm not gonna jump into this. CB says short here. Good luck with the short. The range is so tight, I'm not gonna do anything with that. It's today. I don't know what's your time, but today here is the 19th of June, and so today the 19th is, I'm just saying because some of you guys might be still in the past. I don't know, and some people could be already in the future, depending on where you live. So yeah, it's the 19th. Today on the 19th is going to be public holiday in the US. So expect that stock exchange is not going to open. Futures are going to be open until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Some prop firms like I think TopStep or Take Profit Trader, I don't know. Some prop firms are requiring you to close positions at 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 a.m. p.m. at lunchtime. If I say lunchtime, that's 12 p.m. is midnight, so that's not it. So 12 a.m. 11:59 a.m. I'm still learning English, guys. So if I say lunchtime, I say no, 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. I say 12 a.m. 12 a.m. because 12 p.m. is midnight. Are we allowed to trade holidays for Apex or Buleanox? 12 p.m. is noon. Thank you. That's why I said I'm still learning. 12 p.m. is noon. 12 a.m. is midnight. Sorry. Yeah. So 12 p.m. Sorry. Many prop firms require you to close positions. You're allowed to, I mean, because the futures market is closed, you just can't trade, you know. You're not allowed to trade. Even if they would like you to trade, you just can't on any of these futures prop firms because the market is going to be closed. The only thing you can trade is Forex on a Forex prop firm, maybe. That's the only thing you can do. I might even go into take a challenge on a Forex prop firm. You know, why not? It doesn't have a monthly fee, so it's not a pressure to make it through with the trades. Boom, Deputy. Hey, Jacques. Yes, you can be dead market. Yeah, I am watching gold. I am. I have a limit order at 23.42.9. 23.42.9. I have my limit order. I don't think it's gonna go down there just now. Trying to go long on gold. So, sorry. TopStep always makes you close before end of session. Oh yeah. Slim Trady, hey. Yeah, TopStep requires you. Also Take Profit Trader, I think they require you to close trades before the end of the session. Like 1 or 2 minutes before. Actually, if you don't, nothing major happens. They're going to close it for you automatically. They close down everything. So just FYI, if you're in a position, you're going to get closed. Biggest sell order on gold right now, 35 contracts at 23.46. That's good. That would be good for my long. So 23.46. Thank you for the information. If this would spike down, fill me in, then bring it up there. But I think that's why price is gravitating so much to that level. Let me check. Yeah, I see that. 46, 33 contracts right there. Interesting. Biggest sell order on gold is right now is, yeah. So nothing to do. I'm not going to take this trade on Nasdaq. The range is very tight. If I would enter at 24, you know, not my style. It's looking good for long, but optimal trade entry here. 24 with 6-point stop. I'm not saying impossible, but we can paper trade it, but I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not going to. Is it a sell or we don't know? Well, it's for me because it has a displacement higher, and we still have some targets up there, and we have yesterday's data high. I would say this could be a long position on Nasdaq, but I'm not gonna enter. I don't think so. 45 contracts at 40, so we may visit, yeah. In short, 3 Nasdaq contracts. 31. You nailed it. Good entry. Good entry. You know, on a day like this, if you can catch 5 points on Nasdaq, that's still good. Okay. Gold is still down there. I mean, no, sorry, it is going down there. I'm still not filled on that trade, but trying to figure out if I would take the Nasdaq long position here or not. It's kind of teasing. 23.75. Should I or should I not? 23.75. MNQ 23.75. I can do that. You know what? I can do that. Limit order 23.75. Yeah, why not? Okay, I have a limit order at 23.75. Let's see how it goes. I'm not filled in yet. Maybe I'm gonna modify it to 24. Okay, I think I just got filled. Yeah, at 24 I got filled. Only 80 bucks. Don't really expect anything special. 24. Stop loss right there. Yeah. 35.50. Gold trade is not filled yet. Might not gonna get filled anyway. So where is my trade? This is not it. Okay, so this is it. This is my trade currently. This is on a Buleanox account. This is it. So I don't risk too much on this. Gold was awesome yesterday. Oh yeah, gold was absolutely awesome yesterday. I really liked the move. I did some analysis after the market close, and it was really good. Awesome, Slim Trading. Congrats. 2 position first and nice. Congratulations on that. That's very good. That is very good. Long gold 2 contracts 40. Very tight stop. Yeah. Wait for long under 220s. Yeah, maybe. I may enter it a little bit early, but it is what it is. What's the stop loss on gold? Let me check just a second. MGC. My stop loss on gold is 23.41.3 on the futures chart. So this is not Forex chart. This is futures. 23.41, just below the recent swing low. Just below that. So this is on a Buleanox evaluation account currently. That's why I the one you see right now on the screen is on a Buleanox evaluation account. The Apex evaluation that I was traded yesterday, I have one that's failed. Okay, this is the one that I was trading yesterday. It's up 51,510. And this one currently is a fairly new Buleanox evaluation account. I'm not gonna touch my funded accounts in these conditions, but still. Hey, Mohamedou. Good to see you. Gabriel is here. I'm gonna charge you a license fee for using the Tom Sabo box, Gabriel. Hey, good to see you. And welcome everyone. Please push the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And check out the giveaway. It's in the pinned message. We're gonna do it on Monday or Tuesday. 50K valuation account. So, all right. Looks like I might gonna get tapped into the gold trade. I'm a little bit scared. I'm scared. Field Bird, hey, welcome. Good to see you. Good to see you. Oh, let me go back to here. Okay, so my gold trade almost got triggered at 23.42.9, but it didn't. So, still waiting for Nasdaq to pump a little bit higher. Let's see what happens. You're a Tom Sabo box millionaire, right? That's what I'm saying. I should be charging a license fee. All right. Oh, by the way, totally forgot. Oh my god. Buleanox extended the 90% sale until Friday. So let me change that. So the Buleanox 90% sale is happening. If you use the code TOPSTEP1, let me update. I do have the Buleanox 90% somewhere. I have to change the banner. So Buleanox 90% off. Jesus, is it? Oh, I got out. Hey, hey, awesome. Let me see. Trade, visual trading. All right, trades. Nice. Take profit reached. Oh, let's give an applause for everybody. So guys, Buleanox 90% is on. Today, I'm sorry, until Friday. So the code is working. So this trade was awesome. That is cool. Let me check. I'm still not triggered into the gold long entry. Maybe I should go with a little bit less contracts here. All right, only 4. I don't want to risk too much, especially after the look at the Nasdaq trade. Nice. Oh, let me change the stats. Win 22. So that gives us 35. 22 out of 35 is 62, almost 63%. So that is 63% success rate. Yes. Al, hey, do you know, can you copy trade between Buleanox and Apex through Rhythmic? Of course. Yes, with Replicanto on Rhythmic, you can do that. Yeah, so you need NinjaTrader, obviously. I don't know the technical details, to be honest, but I know it's possible. You have to buy the multiple license from from Replicanto, and it's going to log in to like multiple Rhythmic connections, something like that. I don't know exactly, but I think it's possible. But you have to buy additional license for the connection. It's something like that. Okay, so am I gonna get tagged into this trade? What's going on, Spy Girl? How are you? Hope you're doing great. All right, so the thing is, I'm a little bit scared of gold right now. I think we're gonna get tagged into this, but we have a void here. I mean, unbalanced price range down there. And now I'm a little bit skeptical. Look at that. I did not get tagged into gold. I don't mind. Missed my entry right there. If this one's gonna go back down, I'm afraid it could be a dump too. But this Nasdaq trade, this was nice. I liked it. 1 to 2 risk to reward. This was a good one. It wasn't too much. 24. It was only 10 points. 11 points. 10. 11. What was my entry? 30. Oh, yeah. 11 points net. Maybe 12. Yeah, recently, as I was talking about it, I'm looking at gold just because we have so many slow London sessions that, you know, we just need to do something. We need to push the button, you know. So actually, we were talking about it since months ago that there should be another market to look for if Nasdaq is not moving. In this case, I mean, I did some research and I think I'm going to stay with gold. Although gold is heavily manipulated, much heavier than Nasdaq or Dow or ES, whatever. Gold is super heavily manipulated, I think. But anyway. I don't know if I want to get into this gold trade now. I'm not sure I want to get into this trade. But let's wait for it. Oh yeah, no thank you. 25 bucks per tick. That's gonna wipe me out in 5 minutes. No thank you. CB. I used to trade only gold for a year and love it. Yeah, I mean, that's also a thing. Like, it's very popular amongst forex traders too, and definitely it has volume. So, you know. Soy is your favorite. Is there enough volume there on soy? I suppose there is. And maybe for your, you know, because you're in Thailand, I guess it's better. It's crazy there. I would be curious to check out the chart. Is that available on Prop Firms Soy? Francis, hey, what up? Wolfpack. I wish it would be a Wolfpack. Oh, it's actually a Wolfpack. Soy was your best teacher. You have to check on fundamentals a lot, right? TopStep has soy. Oh. Good morning, Pablo. NQ has equal highs on the 4 hour. Oh yeah, it does almost. Yes. Apex has it too. All right. So what's the let me search for it. Apex soy futures. What's the chart? What's it called? What instruments can I trade? Let me check on soy. Okay, soybeans, soybean meal, soybean oil. Okay. Okay. I have no idea which one to look at. ZS. Okay. You can learn so much, but keep in mind it's crazy. It's ZS. Okay. I'm gonna look into it. ZS soybeans. All right. Let me check on it. I'm curious. Let me check on that soybeans. ZS. ZS. Uh-oh. I have a latency. I typed in ZS to Apex and everything. Okay. Never mind, I have it. Let me go to the 5-minute. Okay, it looks nice. Actually, it looks nice. But it opens up, the market opens and closes differently, right? It actually looks decent. ZS and ZM, all right. I'm still not tagged into this trade. I don't even know if it's gonna go there. I'm looking at the 15-minute gold. I don't like this area right there. I might gonna delete my limit order on gold. On the 15-minute, we have this long wick candle. Don't like that. And we have London open. I'm deleting my limit order on gold. Because it's so sloppy. It's just, you know, going down and boom, it's just gonna make a new low. I was waiting for a faster repricing here and then going up, but this is not something I like. So the speed is definitely not good, especially now in London. The Nasdaq was an awesome trade. I like that. Then I transferred to gold, and so is again. So, oh, sorry, it was my Harvard education. Okay. And then you transferred gold, so again. Well, you know, whatever prints the money. You do have to check on some fundamentals with soy, I think, right? I mean, supply, demand, stuff like that. I don't know. Tom, are you switching between TradingView and Quantower? I mean, I always switch between TradingView and Quantower because that's my thing. You know, I'm switching my charts all over the place. I guess you guys realized it, that I'm switching the charts to make you guys dizzy all the time. But yes, my charting is on TradingView. That doesn't mean that Quantower is bad. Actually, on TradingView, I think it's much easier to do charting. I'm gonna be honest. For trading itself, I think it's not good. I don't like TradingView for trading, but for charting, I think it's excellent. Quantower is good too. So I have no big issue with the Quantower charts. Maybe I should stick with it. The thing is that I like to change. I like to jump between time frames a lot. You guys know that by now. I like to jump between the time frames quite a lot. And on Quantower, like, it's not that easy because I have to scroll down on a separate window, select the time frame, press OK, stuff like that. Or I can open multiple tabs, which is a possibility. I open the 5-minute, the 15-minute, 1 hour, but I'm gonna have so many open tabs on my screen that I'm going to mix up everything after a while. TradingView, it makes it a little bit easier. but I might gonna, you know, try to stick with Quant Tower a little bit more. I don't know. Looking 23, 46, 80. Okay. Stop down to the okay. You know, I was having a limit position on gold. I just deleted it because I don't like the sloppiness. So this is gold on the 5-minute. This is trading view. But look at this. We had this fair value gap. My optimal trade entry was down there. I put a limit order at 42.9, I think. It was at 42.9 on futures. So I put my limit order there and it didn't trigger it. So this gap is still holding. I would say we're long, and not just because of this, but if I look at the higher time frames, I like the fact that this buy side liquidity is actually a daily fair value gap. If you go to the daily on gold, let me disable this. So this is the daily gold chart. That's why TradingView is super fast and simple. I just one click and I can do everything. In Quant Tower, it's a little bit slower. TradingView, I can just be everywhere with one click. So this is the daily chart, and look at this to the left. From the 5th of June, 6th of June, and 7th of June. Now what is this? Bearish order block. And you know guys, my thing, and we still have a fair value gap here. My thing is that I always like to see order blocks broken. Now this candle on the Friday, the 7th of June, has actually peaked lower than this one. So I'm not saying that it's a meaningful thing, but it wicked out to the downside, so it wicked down. I would like to see this order block being taken out, this daily order block. So that makes me a bigger picture to lean for the long positions a little bit more. And look at this level on 23.58, 8.59-ish. So let me go back to 1 hour maybe. That level, 58.8. This is the level, buy side liquidity, daily fair value gap. So I go down, nothing on the 15, nothing special. That's why it gave me an opportunity in this 5-minute fair value gap. So here we are back to the 5-minute fair value gap to maybe get a fill on this gap and maybe, just maybe, target this. No, that's not it. Oh, it's way higher. Anyway, to go higher, I'm favoring the longs. That was all my analysis with gold. So that's what I think. Just wanted to check, is that an indicator you are using a training for the daily midnight level? No, I put it here. This indicator, the daily midnight level, I put this here manually. So this is just the line. I put it here, a line, and I have a template, daily midnight open. There you go. Daily level, Eastern Standard Time. This is just the template I use. I put my lines manually before the stream or before I start to trade. I put my lines manually. I put this here, the previous day high, I put it here manually. I have no indicator for that. It's old school, but you know, I'm a boomer, you know. So that's it. I'm a dinosaur. I do this the old-fashioned way. I draw my lines manually. I don't have indicators for that. Sometimes we need to stop, look away, and come back with a fresh. Exactly, Spy Girl. Exactly. If you yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, market is gonna be closed today. Futures are gonna be open for limited time. They're gonna close at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, CME. I'm not sure about the commodities. I mean, sorry, comics is closing maybe. Anyway, CME is closing 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, TopStep, Take Profit Trader, and maybe some else are going to require you to close positions at 12 p.m. Crypto is always open, or you can trade Forex. You can trade Forex. Forex is always open too. Well, 99% of the time. But so I was also playing with the thought that maybe take a Forex challenge. But what would I trade with a Forex prop firm? I was looking at Fivers because right now they're marketing that they have zero spread on crypto and CFDs. Now that's impossible. That's absolutely a manipulation. We know that because that's non-existent. So, but that's what they say, that they have zero spread. So I might gonna look into the Fivers. If I'm able to trade CFDs, in this case NAS 100, or maybe I can trade gold with zero spread at the Fivers, now that could be interesting. That could be interesting. No monthly fee, no pressure, although it's a two-step challenge, but you know, might gonna look into that. What do you trade on Forex? I was trading pound dollar and GJ last year, but I was just mentioning it on Forex prop firm, so I would be trading CFD. I would be trading NAS 100 and gold. That's what I would be trading there as well. So I'm not looking to trade currencies, but gold and CFD, Nasdaq, NAS 100. That's the two that I would be interested to trade there. Check fast track. I checked fast track funding. I checked Francis and everybody. I checked fast track funding. Yes, you can instantly buy yourself into a funded account. For example, I think $170 for a 25K and like $300 or something for a 50K funded account. So instantly a funded account. But the payout policy, did you check out the payout policy, Francis? Let me know. Go through the fine print and the payout policy. It gives you a little bit pressure. Crypto, hey, good to see you. I don't like the payout policy at fast track. It's definitely tricky. You have to have 5 days above the 20% of your withdrawal cap or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, I did some calculations. It's not easy to reach payouts with them. It's not that easy as you think. Peter, hey. What about MyFunded? MyFundedFX is good too. They're still, I mean, they're part of MyFundedFutures, of course. I was just saying the Fivers because of zero spread. I think MyFundedFX doesn't have zero spread. I'm not saying they're bad or anything. Just you know, it caught my eye on Twitter that the Fivers were saying zero spread, like on CFDs too. And then I try to check it, like 0 spread on gold and CFDs. Now that is actually a huge game changer on a Forex prop firm. That is a huge game changer. It's absolutely manipulated because we all know that there is no such thing on a Forex brokerage firm like 0 spread for CFD. They're doing it to attract people. So on a real live market account, there is no such thing as 0 spread on gold and CFDs. It's not possible. Even if some brokerage does it, that comes out from their own pocket, and they're going to book you, definitely. Look at this. I didn't get tagged in. It went down to the 50%, and now gold starting to go up. I was having my limit order down there. So anyway, I could be in profit by now, guys. Apex withdrawal policy is better than fast track tradings. So I went to the details. Zabak, I understand the frustration still about Apex, but Apex still has a better withdrawal policy than fast track trading. I mean, none of them is super easy. That's what I mean, these prop firms are meant to be, they have to make a business, of course, but fast track trading has, I would say, a difficult payout policy. Good luck for getting payouts. It's putting you in a huge pressure at fast track trading. Yes, Buleanox activation fee on a 250k account is $900. Exactly. That's why I never buy 250ks from Buleanox. Never, ever, ever. Prop firms are becoming like scam. Yeah. By the way, the world above, when I started with prop firms, and they still exist, it was Audacity Capital. Audacity. Is that how they say it? Audacity Capital. I'm not affiliated with them before you start saying I'm shilling them. So this is their website, Audacity Capital. I started with them. It was like 6 or 7 years ago when I tried them out, and of course they changed a lot. So they have a lot of different things now, but back in the days they were like offering 10k accounts or 15k accounts for a monthly 200 British pound fee, and your leverage was 1 to 5 leverage, and you could only trade Forex pairs. So no gold, no CFD, nothing. Only Forex with 1 to 5 on a monthly 200 pound. Obviously, it was super difficult. So Sabio trade. Thank you for being here, Slim Trady. Have a great day too. Fast track is that you need 5 consecutive trading days, not just 5 from. Yeah, exactly, Francis. So let's just stop here for a brief second, for a brief minute. Fast track trading needs you 5 consecutive trading days with above $250. Good luck with that. Good luck pulling out money from fast track trading. If you can do that, good luck. No pressure, right? No pressure. So that's why I'm saying if you go with instant funded account, yeah, it looks good on the screen. Good luck making consecutively $250 on a 25k or 50k account without pressure. Yeah, some people can do it, obviously, but you're doomed to fail the account. That's like, personally with EliTrader, they got the worst payout policy in this. 3 weeks till first payout below 200 does not count as trading day. Yeah, $200 below $200 does not count as a trading day. That's the only problem I have with TopStep. I think TopStep is awesome, but they should change the $200 rule as well. That is something that puts you into a little bit of pressure. Yeah. I used to be excited about prop firms, but now so much. Yeah, I understand. It doesn't. Yeah, at least TopStep doesn't require you to make consecutive 5 days, but fast track trading consecutive 5 days above $250. Good luck. I say good luck with that. That account is doomed, actually. And imagine if you take a payout, finally you can take your payout, and then it starts all over again, constantly under pressure. I don't know. EliTrader is a joke. Yeah. 5 consecutive days is asking for consistency on paper, but kills consistency. Yeah, your mind is gonna get killed. That because you're always going to focus on, oh my god. Let's imagine that you made it on your 4th day, making above 250 bucks. So what are we doing here? We're talking about prop firms because nothing is happening. So that's what we do. Imagine working 4 days straight, consistency, and you screw it up on your 5th day. You're gonna get so messed up. Absolutely. What payout policy do I prefer? I have no problem as long as there is a prop firm that you can make only like $50, even $1 or whatever. You can, and you build up your cushion, and you can just withdraw your money after you reach your cushion. That's fair. I would say that's fair. For example, MyFundedFutures, Bulenox. I know Bulenox requires you to build up cushion, but at least if you can only make $50 in a given day, that's still a success. You're going to close out for the day like, all right, today I also made one small step towards my payout. That is good. That's a good feeling. It's much better if you end up the day like $100 and it says you have to make 200. It's good, but you will say, oh my god, tomorrow I have to try harder. That's gonna put you into pressure. Yeah, for 150k it's $500. I always say with Bulenox, never go above 100k. 100k should be the max you take with Bulenox. That 100k is the max, I think, that you should do. Funding pips, I heard about them. I don't know them. I don't know them. I just heard about them. I think TopStep and MFF has the best payouts. Yeah, MyFundedFutures has the best payout policy, that I can say. I don't care what anybody says. Take Profit Trader is also good, but the daily drawdown limit is a little bit hard. But the best payout policy, MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader. That's it. That's it. Or Trade Day. Yeah, that's good too. Trade Day is good too. Yeah, sorry. What's the Z fib drawing tool? I don't know. Z fib drawing tool. I just have this fib drawing tool here. Man, I do feel a little bit of FOMO. We could have just gone with this gold trade. Oh, at least the moral victory is still with us, because we were anticipating that it should go higher. On Nasdaq, the trade was cool. That was a good one. What else? Should be taking out the high. I don't know what that tool. I'm sorry. Isham. Fib drawing. This is the fib drawing. You know, you just put your Fibonacci, look for retracements for 50% or whatever level you're looking for. You can set it up, and that's it. 200 isn't crazy, top especially. Yeah, with minis, but you have to be really on the top of your game. You know, you really have to be on top of the game with risk management with minis, especially on a 50K account. But I understand with minis, yes, you can do it, but again, risk management is have to be really good. Juneteenth, yeah, so we might not see a big movement. Yes, Ariub, yeah. I'm done with Apex. Yeah, a lot of people done with them, but they're still paying out people, so I really hope I can reach the payout level. I'm not DCAing, I'm really going slow steps. So hopefully all goes well, but I know quite a few people got the payouts recently as well, so 5 times 200 take off 50%, yeah. Simple, no consistency, yeah. Or with MyFundedFutures, no consistency, you can make as much as you want. That's it. I would say the biggest competitor for TOPSTEP is MyFundedFutures. No expert account, no consistency, no withdrawal cap. You can make as much profit as you want. As much profit as you want. Yeah. Just saying, I think Buleanox is going to implement rules as well. Maybe not now, not next month. Give it a few months. Buleanox and other prop firms are going to implement. If Apex gets away with these rules, trust me, other prop firms are going to do the same, but they're going to call it a little bit differently, but it's going to mean the same thing. So everybody's going to follow because it's a thing. It's a business, you know. Anyway. Yeah, I'm happy to stay with Apex too. I have no issue with the new rules. So I always predetermine my risk, my stop loss and my take profit. I have zero issue with the new rules at Apex, and I'm not even afraid that I'm gonna get denied. If I'm gonna get denied after I reach payout, because I will reach the payout by using micros and using proper risk management, if I get a denial, well, I'll see what happens after that, but I might then, you know. But for now, I have zero issues with the rules. Yeah. Yeah, I just modified some things, Isham. I just I modified the Fib tool a little bit, not too much, if that's what you're saying. So I'm only looking on the 50%, 61.8, and the 2 standard deviation, but nothing special. I disabled a lot of stuff. $10 days too much for payout. Well, that's understandable. But imagine back in the days when traders were not spoon-fed this much with prop firms, there was one payout per month. One payout. Or they said when they will pay you out. And now everybody wants daily payouts, which is understandable. We are spoon-fed. And I have no issue with the 10-day waiting game because I'm just going to hop into a different account and trade on a different account. That's it. That's how simple to overcome that issue. That's what I think, but Yeah. Like sheep to slaughter. Well, that's why I'm saying the world above. If Apex would go down, which I definitely don't think they will go down, we will cross that bridge. Yeah. Mostly those people are complaining who had problems with the DCA or couldn't make it by some rule change, which is frustrating, I know. But we saw a lot of people on streams and on Discord too who got their payouts recently with Apex. They were not DCAing, but there was also a guy who was DCAing and he got the payout. So that's interesting. I don't know. And also YouTubers get the payout. if someone is YouTuber, then gets the payout. Yeah, there is a promo right now if you look at it up there. 20% off from the expert account. No activation fee on the expert account. It's included in the price. You can get a 50k account for 132 bucks. No consistency. There's a video I just made. If you check it out on my YouTube, I made a video about the expert account a few days ago with the new promo. So yeah, definitely MyFundedFutures is doing something great with the expert accounts. The most freedom, actually, I mean, really, check out my video. I talk about it in a little bit detail. The most freedom that you can get with the futures prop firm account, including only restriction, the major restriction that you have is not trading the major news on the funded account. You can do anything on the evaluation, but the funded account, you cannot trade FOMC, CPI, and NFP, and maybe PPI, I don't know. So there's a 4-minute window, 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after. You gotta be flat. That's the only thing. That's it. You can add to your losing positions. If DCAing is not your sole strategy, they're gonna let you go with it as long as they see a healthy equity curve and consistency and proper risk management. They let you add not just once but more times to your losing trades. So no issue with that. No need for stop loss. Anyway, check it out. Yeah. You do all the hard work for someone to deny. It's not even worth it. It's a game. You have to play by the rules. If they deny after you applied by the rules, I would say that would be absolutely unfair, because I understand that prop firm is a business. But if they would deny after I applied all the rules, then I would be mad as well. So 7 money bag, there's a video I uploaded to my channel, the latest video. Check it out. It's very simple. Go through. It's a 15-minute video. I know it's not that short, but it's especially for the expert account. But all you need is like no rules on the expert account. I mean, I'm not saying no rules, because there are some rules, but the most freedom you get is on the expert account. Tom, you are disappointed me. Why you are such a shield for Apex? I have no issue with Apex for now. I'm building up my funded accounts too, Terry. Come on. I'm also working on my funded account as well with Apex. Slowly. If I can make 50 bucks, I take it. If I can make 100 bucks, I take it. I would love to make that video soon, where finally I can say that finally I reached my payout. Anyway, I understand. The visible in the space and nobody. Yeah. Yeah, be a YouTuber. That's what let the average person know this is a scam. That's being reined in yet. Yeah. The expert account is 132 bucks with the discount per month, including activation fee. So it has the activation fee in the price. 132 on a 50K account. 1 day pass, of course, included. And all such things. That's it. Tom is like, there is nothing we can do, sorry. What can I do? I mean, I'm not a customer service. I'm just saying my own experience. It's a different account. Let me show you, Toxic Sage. Here it is. That was the account yesterday. This was yesterday's account. Yesterday, when it went, I don't even know where it went. It went down. I also made a little bit profit. This was the account from yesterday, 51. I was left the stream with 51,200 something. Now it's up 51,510. And this is my Buleanox funded account. I lost a little bit on this one. I was up almost 1,500 profit. And this is my other one. Copy traded. Anyway. This is one of my Apex accounts. I was up a little bit more than this, but I went down again. So I'm still struggling. This is my TOPSTEP account, my funded account at TOPSTEP. It has $1,259 on it. I haven't really traded on this one. I was up about $2,000, then I went down and I was focusing on different things. And what else? Yeah, so this was the account yesterday. Stream on Shish. YouTube Live. Kind of hard to get into. Oh. You stream on Twitch. Awesome. I'm going to check you out. Tom is disappointing all of us. Come on. I do. 132 is until you pass the evaluation, Spy Girl. If you pass the evaluation, there's nothing more to pay. So that's all. It's lifetime technically, yes. It's lifetime. So if you pass, then that's it. It's only for the evaluation phase. 4 times Apex 50K, 3 account for TOPSTEP, 2 Buleanox now. Yeah, there you go. All is good until withdrawal time. Yes, Zabak. I'm not concerned about that because I go by the rules as much as I can. You bought the expert. Nice. Nice, nice. I've been looking for freedom. I was thinking about that David Hasselhoff song. I'll be looking for freedom. That was like crazy. Anyway. All the indices stuck in the range, yeah. Everything. I was expecting gold to take out that previous day high. It's just not doing it. I don't know what the hell is going on. Scalping rules. Yeah, there is something. Let me show you. If you're asking about MyFunded Futures, there is something about scalping. In the notice board. So yeah. So clarification. Policies: no micro scalping, no tick scalping, no abusing the sim environment, no stop loss required, trade as you like, no DCA as a sole strategy, adding to positions as part of a system is allowed, full leverage use is allowed, scaling into position is allowed, aimless clicking is gambling, not trading. Basically, these are the major ones at MyFundedFutures. That's it. So if you ask micro scalping, ask the moderators, because it's a gray area. I'm guessing if you go for 2 ticks, if you go for 2 or 3 ticks, for example on Nasdaq, or 5 ticks, I think what they said is if you go for, like on Nasdaq in points, I'm saying if you go for at least 4 to 5 points or more, you should be all right, and you should be holding your trade for more than 6 seconds or something, 5 or 6 seconds, you should be all right. So no DCA as a sole strategy, but they were talking about this on Discord, on the Discord space. Adding to positions as part of a system is allowed, so you can add more to your losing trades. Full leverage use is allowed. If you want to go in with 15 minis, go, no problem. Scaling into a position is allowed. Anyway, I mean, they said if they see sometimes someone take a few ticks and then close out the trade, it's fine, it's no problem, as long as they don't see it as the sole strategy. As long as they see someone only doing that kind of trading, that could be raising some flags. But if somebody's, you know, managing properly the risk, then and if they see like 1 or 2 trades here and there with a few ticks, that's not an issue. That's what they said. So anyway, Nasdaq went down. Yeah, trade day has a clean withdrawal strategy, policy. The only problem with trade day is that you can have only 1 account. I mean, I don't have a problem with that, but everybody wants to have 20 funded accounts. So with trade day, you can have 1. Let's see. The point is use trade to pay yourself for bills and stuff, yeah. Who cares if it's only 1 account? That's what I'm trying to say with every prop firm. The point is to take out money to pay bills, buy food, you know, save money, stuff like that. NQ looks like it wants to go up. Yeah, NQ currently, I mean, the 15 minutes shifted higher again with a up close candle on this high. We don't have a fair value gap, only down there at 220. If I put a fib tool here, I don't know. I don't have an entry here on NQ. We had this one earlier, but it looks like it wants to go higher. This is the data high from yesterday, so I think it can go. It can definitely go higher. Uh, 50% of that big wick. Oh yeah. You mean this? 250. Yeah. Yeah, that could be possible. That could be possible. Right there. Right there. All right. Let's see. That could be a possible target. That's true. I like the number 200, 250. Viox also long on that one. All right, let's go. Let's go, people. Let's see what's going on. So expect a quiet day today. Should be quiet. Nothing special. Viox, come on. Don't say this. Come on, man. Come on, man. Don't say this. You're long on NQ entry at 226. Let me check your entry. That's a good entry, actually. Not that bad. Actually, that's very good. It's not just not bad, it's good. But I don't know your entry model, of course. But we can say that it's like a good optimal trade entry on this latest swing on the 15-minute. Market structure shift higher, could continue, so that's a good entry, Pablo. Absolutely. I like that. I like that entry. Lloyd Love in space. Hey there. That fair value gap is on the crosshairs, I feel. Then we will rally for the high. Yeah, could be. Which time frame are you saying that? Five-minute maybe? 15. There's a fair value gap. Where is? There's no fair value gap. 5-minute. Okay, sorry. So there's one fair value gap here. This one. And yeah, this is a bullish order block down there on the 5-minute, but it's still good. I mean, you know, with a grain of salt, it's still good. $12. Oh, down at 12. That's down. That's way down. 4 hour. All right. Sorry. That's why I was asking. 4 hour chart. Oh, this one. Okay. All right. Yeah, this here. Sorry. True. Let me zoom this out. 4 hour chart here. Fair value gap. True. That's why I was asking. Okay. Yeah, there is a nice gap here. Could be good to shoot price higher. All right. I think it's lifetime. But if you go to the checkout page, it should be saying, but I can't check with my own code right now. Unfortunately, I can't check it with my own code because it says you can't use your own code. But last time they were doing it lifetime. So guys, just saying 90% off at Buleanox to until Friday. So go check it out on option 1 accounts. Option 1 accounts, 90% off. That's the cheapest upfront cost right now that you can get. I would not go more than 100K account. Most likely go with 50Ks. You can check whatever. I don't know. You have to go to the checkout page, and maybe there is something that says how much for the first month and then how much for the recurring month. Last time they did it, this month, it was lifetime. So I have no information if this one is only first month or lifetime. You have to check it yourself. Yeah. Considering we've been having bullish candles. Yeah, Lloyd, absolutely. We can be going down there. The 25K, mathematically speaking, and if you're going with micros, I think the 25K is a good choice, but only if you go with micros. That's a good choice. All right, Maxi. 1 mini. Well, be careful. 1 mini. What? It's lifetime. You bought it accidentally. Jesus. What happened there? Why did you bought it accidentally? How can somebody add the credit card? No, yeah, I know you had to because you go to the checkout page, but man, you bought it accidentally. How is that possible? I know how it's possible. I bought some stuff accidentally. I know how it is. Only 17 bucks, yeah. So it's lifetime. Thank you, Erkan, for sacrificing, to making this sacrifice. 250 per trade. You know, okay, Maxi, that could be a good option. So Erkan sacrificed his money for the community, and he checked it that it's lifetime. So lifetime 90% with Buleanox. Thank you for checking it. I only say it's only Tom Sabo 1 because if you Tom Sabo 2, I think you can use it for option 2 accounts. Then there's Tom Sabo 3 all the way up to 6 because they have different conditions and discounts. But Tom Sabo 1 gives you the biggest, but only for option 1 accounts. Till Thursday. Yeah, until Thursday is going to count the same day, ref. Yeah. So don't expect the balance to be updated after tonight. There's going to be no update. So only on Thursday. It's going to count as the same day. Keep that in mind. No, the withdrawal policy is technically the same, Larry. They didn't change that. Hopefully they will, because there is some rumor that they try to do it faster. Everything is the same. Yeah, support at Buleanox is very good, and they also have end-of-day trailing accounts with daily stop-out level, which is a soft breach. So if you want to check out their option 2 accounts, I think the discount right now is, I don't know. Yeah, option 2 accounts have a 70% discount. Let me check. I think it's 70. Let me check on it. Okay, so yeah. 70% discount on the option 2 accounts. Yeah, which is the end of day trading stop. And it's technically the copycat of TOPSTEP, the option 2 accounts. Yeah, the option 2 is only 70% off. They only give you the 90% on the option 1 accounts. For option 2, you have to use Thumbsable 2 for the discount for the 70% off. But it's end of day trading. Yeah, so end of day is also good. And it's basically, they're still offering it for the same price as, almost the same price as Apex offers the intraday trailing accounts. But for the same price, you get an end of day trailing account with Buleanox. But it has a daily stop out limit, which is a soft breach. You're not going to lose the account. You're just going to get stopped out for the day and you can continue the next day. No. Live futures trading, the best question. Unfortunately, still Buleanox has not made that change or that update. You can't, unfortunately. They only have Rhythmic. So that's I know. With Rhythmic you can connect with NinjaTrader and Quantower and of course Rhythmic Trader Pro, but unfortunately no TradeAwait. I know many of you guys like TradeAwait. Yeah. That's the only downfall of that. You're welcome. So my account's still valid. Yeah, check it later. I like NinjaTrader, it's just learning curve, yeah. So I hope they will, because many people like TradeAwait. I hope Buleanox will implement TradeAwait too, but for now nothing. I'm looking for entries, by the way, guys. I'm looking for some setups, but there's nothing happening. We had one trade early on the stream when we started on Nasdaq. It was a perfect trade. Gold didn't tap me into the trade. I had my limit at 42.9. I missed my entry with a few ticks. It went up there. By the way, if I would have entered, for example, on the 50% level on this retracement, which was just here to the tick, and my stop loss would have been down there, look at how beautiful trade it could have been. Shoulda, woulda, 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 coulda. Could have been a 2-to-1 or 1-to-2 or whatever. Nice trade. But it did not trigger. I use TradingView to chart, so I really only need Maxi. I do exactly the same as you. I mean, not the same because I do like Quantower, but I like TradingView for charting. I hate it for trading I think it's absolutely trash for trading. But for charting, I think it's the best platform. It's the best of the best. TradingView. Super simple, user-friendly. So if there would be no other than just Rhythmic Trader Pro with the buy and the sell button, that would be enough for me as well. But I like One Tower because of the copy trading. So copy trading is good with Quant Tower as a built-in function. So also the chart is not that. I mean, I like the charting thing with Quant Tower. It's not bad, but you know. Oh ho! What is happening? Live futures trading just subscribed. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the team. All right. What is the activation fee for 50k Buleanox? I think it's 148. Let me check it. I think Buleanox active. Google is our friend, as we always say. So here you go. Okay, Buleanox needs some time. It's loading the page. All right. Buleanox website has some problem to load in right now. Only a matter of hours. It's 148 bucks, by the way. The 50k, the 25k is 140 lifetime. The fees, there it is. 50k, 148 bucks. 25k, 143 bucks. And still the 100k is somewhat competitive. It's a little bit more expensive than Apex has under 100k when there is no sale going on. But don't go higher than 100k with Buleanox because look at the activation fees. $500 and $900 under 150k, and the 250k is absolutely, it's not good. It's a ripoff. So don't go higher than 100k with Buleanox. This price is still almost the same as Apex, but and these are okay, standard. But the 150 and the 250, it's not good. It's not something I would go with. Yeah. But at least it's lifetime, you know. It's valid until Friday, by the way. Currently, that's what it says. Waiting for an entry. Waiting for an entry. All right. What is happening? Nothing. Still way in the kill zone. But hard to say where this will go. Also, check it out. We have a giveaway going on. It's in the pin message. Go ahead. And participate. We're gonna pick the winner on Tuesday, I think, live on stream. If you're not here, no problem. We're gonna tweet it out, and I'm gonna tweet it out, and you're gonna get the email if you win. Let's go. Let's see what's gonna happen. Friday, yeah, Friday. So I'm guessing Friday until the end of New York PM session, you know. So until Friday market close, or even Friday 11:59 PM. So Friday midnight Eastern Standard Time. Should be on for the full day. Not sure about Saturday, but they're usually just deactivated automatically after the time frame goes off. So still a good opportunity if someone wants to. Ho, Thomas Jensen, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the sub. I think the 30-minute fair value gap on NQ will give direction for session. The 30-minute gap, let me check. I don't really use the 30-minute chart, but you know, there's a time for everything. Yeah, look at that. On the 30-minute on Nasdaq, there's a gap here from 26 to 28-ish. Market structure shift. It's pushing higher, so we could be going for the 250 level. I think Gamecraft said it. Yeah, Gamecraft. And I think it's a good level, the 250. So let's go. I have no entry currently, but you know, if we would see a displacement, we should be breaking the 38 then with a strong up close candle. That I would be considering to go for the 250, but otherwise not really. As for gold, it's getting tricky. Look at the 1 hour on gold. Went down there, swept some lows, no fair value gap here. Took out the order block from Monday. So the order block is being taken out. Nice. Repriced this fair value gap. We have a daily fair value gap higher, but honestly, I don't see anything down there that's interesting for the market. That could be interesting. We have some swing lows down there, but really on the 1 hour, I don't see anything that could be point of interest for price. If I go to the 4 hour, no. Relative equal lows, but you know, nothing special on the 4 hour as well on gold. And fundamentally, I'm still very bullish. Also, bearish order block up there on the 4-hour, and as we talked about it, we are inside of a daily bearish order block. Now I want this to be broken. I like to see it broken apart. So that makes me still bullish on gold, but it is what it is. Yeah, bank holiday not moving. In Europe, there's banks are still open in Europe, so that's why we could see some action. Well, let's quote that, quote unquote action. Maybe until futures exchange is gonna open. COMEX is gonna open as usual, but for limited time. Stock exchange is not opening. So might be some volume kicking in until 8:30 or after 8:30-ish, but Eastern Standard Time, that is. But I don't know. On the DOM, on TopStep X, there is resting 140 on 250. Okay, so that's good to know. That's good to know. The closing is going to be 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I think TopStep and Take Profit Trader requires you to close positions at 12. Apex might let you to hold it for a little longer. I don't know, but eventually they're going to close it down for you. So even if you take a trade, be careful. These are not ideal market conditions. And obviously, you know, we can still see a move in the kill zone, but don't expect too much. I mean, look at Nasdaq on the 1 hour, sorry, not 15 minute, for example. It's still consolidating. The range is from 212, yeah, so in about 30 points range still. It's not ideal. I was actually risking a little bit by taking this long, but at least it was a good one. It's a slow day. Wetmill, love you, Tom. Right, thank you, Wetmill. Love you too. Love you too, you know. My backtest includes holidays, so I trade as normal, yeah. I mean, you can still find some good trades, you know, during the holidays. You might have to focus on some lower time frames. I don't know. I don't know. Nasdaq is just stopped. Come on, make a displacement. Somebody pulled the plug on Nasdaq. My in-laws are starting with us, staying with us. Okay, drinking and huge. Oh, really? Oh, haven't drank in a year, but they want me to staying. Yeah, staying. They won't let me. Yeah, you should drink, man. You should, when the family gets together, have some good time, have a drink. You have to. You have no other choice but to drink. So go and drink. Yeah, Marcus, drink the father under the table to assert dominance. I like that. Yeah, rude not to, so you must. There you go, Wetmild. That was good, Marcus. Yeah, drink the father under the table. You have to. I don't know. I don't know if you guys know that movie. Anyway, I can't explain that to you. It's an old movie. It's an Italian movie. Bud Spencer and Terence Hill, two iconic Italian actors. And Bud Spencer said that he was asked that, can you drink? And he said, yeah, the first 5 liters is okay, but after the first 5 liters, I get to be a little anxious. Internet went down in middle of the trade. What? Shy, what the hell? I always drink more than Oh, okay, you can. Okay, then Wetmild. Yeah, definitely. You have the background to do that, so you're trained. As Bruce Wayne said to Ra's al Ghul in Batman Begins when they were training and fighting, "You're trained." You're trained. Wetmild, you can do that. Today, Germany versus Hungary. I would put my bet on Germany, that's for sure. Sorry to say that, sorry Hungary, but the Hungarian football team is crap. Bunch of crap. They had a good run maybe a few years ago on the European Cup, but anyway, the Hungarian football team is unfortunately, the golden days was in 1954, when the golden team, I think they were playing with the Germans. Were they? Germany, Hungary in the finals, the World Cup finals. Hungary was second. There is a Hungarian team, yeah. Imagine that. One of my idols in life and everything is the famous Hungarian football player Ferenc Puskás. I told that to you guys. I have books about him, and he passed away, of course, many years ago. But Ferenc Puskás, who played in the World Cup in the 1950s, and then was a player for Real Madrid. Now his life is exceptionally awesome, and the things that he achieved as a player and as a coach. Leaving Hungary after the war, at the Civil War, and starting a new life in Spain, and all his achievements. Exceptionally awesome idol. Gold could do. Oh well, look at that. No entry on this one on gold, but finally we took out previous day high. Finally, we took it out. What? Excited to stream with the? Oh yeah, I'm gonna make him so nervous. You know, I'm gonna make him do stupid trades and lose money. I'm gonna try everything in my power to make him do stupid trades. No, I'm not. Just a little bit. 10 Connies. Yo! That's how you do it, Wetmild. That's how you do it. NQ is still edging higher. Slowly, but it's going. And actually, it's going sideways. Maybe 13 points away from that high. I don't know what's gonna happen. Silver bullet hour is definitely over. So let me change this. 90% off with Buleanox. All right. 23.45.6. Nice. Oh man. 23.45.6. That's a good run there. That's a nice trade. I like that. I like that. All right. What else is going on? Take Profit Trader has no activation fees. Rumor says maybe forever. So go check him out too. But be careful with the entries today. $3,300 on your funded. Oh, hoo, hoo. With a 5 account copy trade. I need to trade on Bruce. Be careful with that. Be careful with that, Wetmild. You know. I move to my new house tomorrow. Nice. Dude, that is awesome. That is great. Good to hear that. Love to see a picture about that. When you moved in, take a picture. Share it here on stream. You don't have to, of course, but it could be awesome. Congrats, congrats. End of slavery actually was a good thing. It seems. Yeah, it definitely seemed like it. Man, awesome. Yeah. Oh yeah. So you were brave to trade on your phone right now, but hey, set up your trade station when you moved in. Everything is packed up, I can imagine. By the way, I'm looking to buy a laptop. I had a new laptop, but a friend of mine bought it from me because he was looking for that particular one. It was a gaming laptop, but I'm looking to buy a new laptop because I have an old one, but I need a laptop if, you know, I have a power outage. At least I have internet on my phone, and you know, I can also stream if I want to from my laptop. I need a strong one to handle a stream and trading too. Seems like we are off the top of the moon. Yeah, could be Lloyd. Definitely wet milled. Absolutely. No, we don't suffer from power outage, but there are multiple constructions going on at the place where I live, in the next streets and all over the place. So recently, in the past few months, there was some time periods. I was actually lucky to be able to stream because, you know, after I finished up with the London stream, there were usually like power outages for 1 or 2 hours or whatever. And because of so many constructions going on in the area. But not just because of that. Maybe I was thinking, so if I'm on vacation, which I'm planning to do sometime in the summer, or if I go somewhere, that would be awesome to log in from a strong laptop and maybe also open the stream, you know, talk to you guys, see what's going on. But yeah, there used to be, because of these many constructions going on in the area. Also, they cut the internet the other day accidentally. I don't know. But the good thing, I have the mobile internet. Have to be prepared. MSI Lenovo, Asus brand are the good for me. Oh yeah, I heard about Asus. I had an Asus. And MSI also. So I'm looking for that. Basically, what they told me is I should get a gaming laptop because that's strong enough to handle the stream and everything. Did you buy your apartment? No, I did not. I'm just renting. I'm still renting. Yeah, that's what I'm not a computer geek. I don't really know much about computers. So last time I checked in the computer store, they told me that they saw that I don't understand anything. So the guy just told me I should go with a strong gaming laptop, should be no issues. I said, all right, you know, whatever. Gaming laptops, GPU card, they said it can handle everything very easily. You're contradicting your prior belief or sentiment you have. Morning bond trades. It's me from the future with gold trade yesterday. Yeah, you are. How you doing, Bond? Yeah, we had a good one, and Nasdaq was a good one here. I missed the gold trade, but we, you know, it didn't tag me with 2 ticks, but still it was a good call. But I had a good trade on Nasdaq here, entered here, so that was a good trade right at the beginning of the stream. So thank you, Bond, thank you. Hope you're doing well. Could be 350. Could be. I thought we already made it there. No, we didn't. Definitely, I want to see it go higher, but yeah. Ryzen 7 5600 or higher. Okay, I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna write it down. Thank you. I'm gonna write it down. Ryzen. I don't know anything about computers. I mean, these GPU cards or CPUs. Ryzen 7. All right, Ryzen 7 5600 or higher. Ryzen 7 5600 or higher. Okay. NVIDIA 280. Right now my computer is an old one. Currently this computer has been made in 2018. The only upgrade I did is the GPU card. I have a 2070 Ti. I guess it's okay. I have a 2070 Ti currently in it. Above 2080. Okay. Or higher. Thank you. Does anyone know if today counts as a full day? There's going to be no reset. I mean, no. No, the balance is not going to update until Thursday, Paul, if that's what you're asking. It's just going to roll to tomorrow. So yes. Paul, is going to roll onto tomorrow. So the balance is not going to reset. All right. Good trade on NQ. It's probably a slow. Yeah, it's gonna be slowing down. I was hoping that I catch the gold trade as well, but I mean this was good. I don't expect anything more. A gold can go higher, but I have no entry, so it's just gone. You know, it's gone. Intel, what? 14,900. I have to write that down too. Intel 14,900K. Oh, my CPU is definitely an old one. I have a 8,700 Intel CPU right now. That's what I'm saying. My computer is 6 years old. AMD 7950. Okay, AMD 7950. So when I go into the store, I'm gonna read this to the guy, and I would say, "Hey man, listen, you know, this is the one that I need." RTX 4080. RTX 4080. That's quite expensive one, right? 32 gigabytes. I have 32 gigabytes right now on my computer. I know that. I know that for a fact. But it might be an old one. Do you know if you reset the 50K, do you still get the 85? Yes, you get it, Camille. Yeah. If you reset the 250K account, you still have time to get the discount. So yes, absolutely. Absolutely, Camille. Go for it if you need to reset it. You have time until the 15th of July still. My RAM is way higher though. Oh, buying the dips for gold is the play. Yeah, could be. Could be. 40 series is overkill. Okay. All right. I'll see how much I can spend on it, but I saved up a little bit of money for a laptop. 30 series to be fair. Yeah, someone told me earlier that I should go above 30 series because it's going to be outdated soon as well. But at least I have the 30 series. I don't know. So I don't have too much money for a laptop. So I'm going to have to look for some kind of medium gaming laptop or something. Check if new egg is available in your area. I don't know what that means, but you're welcome. You're welcome, Camille. Okay. Is that a store? New egg. All right, I'm gonna check on it. Is it possible to use the profits from prop firms paid via crypto to be funneled in a way I don't have to pay taxes in my country? Hurts, that's the tough question. For example, at MyFundedFutures, MyFundedFutures is connected with Rise. Rise can send you the money in crypto, but at Rise, you have to verify yourself and you have to do all the KYC verification, including tax number and everything. So that's a tough question. I don't know. So MyFundedFutures has Rise. I think Apex can connect to Rise as well. Take Profit Trader. Some of these prop firms has connection to Rise, and Rise can send your money in crypto, but you still have to do the KYC with Rise. So I don't know if they're going to send the report to your country or not, or is it automatic, or is it something you have? I don't know. I'm paying tax because I'm taking out the money as a company, small company, but you know. If you use Rise and they funnel it to a crypto address, it's up to you. Looks like it might get through trend line today. We'll see. Yeah. KYC save the trader, even if it prevents you from buying meme coins. Yeah. Exactly. UX customer service has sucked since China bought over 50% of the company. Wow. Seems not working. Did BuleNox resolve their connection? Yeah, I have no issue with BuleNox. It's connecting and everything. It's doing what it should. Look at this. NQ is edging lower a little bit. If you haven't done it already, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. It's free to do. Thanks, guys. That was the commercial. Also, don't forget 90% with BuleNox until Friday. It's gonna be a quiet day, slow day. Maybe best not to take any extra positions that's not needed, you know. Okay. We're just standing still. Guys, you know what comes now. I just want to say, I think I'm not going to force any more trades in this session. Maybe there's going to be a move until 5 a.m. or whatnot. I don't know. But I think that's it for me. I'm going to be coming back in the New York session. We might going to do the joint stream with Methodical Man. I'm going to check on him. So which platform you are all discussing? Join late. Nature, we're discussing everything. And still, if you're signing up with TopStep, you can use my link. If you're signing up, you get a 20% discount from your first purchase. That's the only thing that's going on. So New York is that's why we're just gonna do some back testing maybe, or we're gonna do some short stream in New York. We'll see. So yeah, it is. So stock market is not opening. Futures are open only until 1 p.m. So so again, nature animals, birds, plants, 20% only if you're signing up for a new account. You can use the link. It's somewhere in the description or in the chat if you want to. Anyway, guys, it was my pleasure. It was a good stream. We had a good trade. Actually, the gold was also good, but I did not get triggered into that one, so it was awesome. See you guys in the New York session. Hopefully we will have some fun and be safe. Love you all. Love you too, Matt. Wet Mill, sorry. Love you too and love everybody. Thank you for all the support. If you would like to trade futures, use my links and codes. That helps me to be here full time. Thank you guys. You are awesome. See you in the New York kill zone. Cheers, everybody.